Hello everyone again. Today I have to look and see and make a conclusion. There is more rust behind here and in here and also behind on both sides. So I have to remove the whole under part from the water cooling here, while the radiator is behind here then. So you can see here this rust has bubbled up and it's going longer as to here and there and also there. Here I have all my welding points, so I have to drill out, and here I have just to make a cut from here on the side down, and then I can take out this part. Okay. So, it's just what I thought. Plenty of rust in here, but it's not dangerous. It's just on the outside, on the overside, so I can easily take it away. It is solid material. Oh, this I have to do yet. Take away those two parts here in and there. Nice to here. This in here, there's a steering unit. So, and that it looks okay also in here. But I have something to do there and blow it clean. Possibly it's sandblasting, but I prefer dry ice. Okay. So here is the part what I removed. It looks okay from the front, but behind is quite rusty on the upside, but it's still solid material. but yeah, just to remove it. I think so. When you're doing job, when you take a restoration and then you take the whole restoration. So I did so. So today I'm removing the rest of the layers here, so I can remove a total here and also there. So watch it get very noisy. So this part here I have removed, so all those small parts are laying there. And now I'm going on and remove this part here, and later on take away the welding tags in here, so I can remove the little piece here and also on the other side. Hey guys, Today I finished the job with removing the lower panel of the water cooling in here. I started yesterday with removal, and today I had to remove the rest of the double layer here and there. I have also to do the welding spots in here, there, and remove and grind it down tomorrow, and also here in the bottom where I took away the rest today, and here. So as you see, it's very rusty, but not seriously, so I can remove it and prepare it for with anti-rust in the outside and also inside, and also here on the bumper. I've also to do some work in here. It's some rust in there and here, so I've also to do that. Here also the steering unit in here I have to remove tomorrow before I can grind it down or sandblast it. I have to discuss with myself what I want to do, sandblasting or grinding. Well, as you see here, it's also there, some rust in there, but that's also doable. It's also the same on the back side here, also there, and also below in here. I have to prepare it and take away the rust tomorrow. I ordered a new panel yesterday from Germany, from my provider, from Tristar-Connection in Göttingen, Nordrhein, Westfalen. It's in the nice region from Germany. I visit the region very lot of times and so on, and I do it also now. Well, so far so good. That's it for today. I thank you. Thanks for following me. Keep up and stay tuned. And if you like, comment, thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.